Hi there. Let's talk about a drink that's not just delicious but a true golden gem of health, turmeric golden milk. Ever heard of it? If not, you're about to discover a remedy that's been used for thousands of years. And if you're already a fan, stick around, because we're diving into its incredible health benefits and I'll show you exactly how to make it at home. By the end, you'll be sipping your way to better health with every golden cup. Let's get started. Turmeric, often called the golden spice, has been treasured in Indian and Ayurvedic medicine for over 4,000 years. It's not just a kitchen staple, it's a healer, used to treat everything from wounds to colds. Its power lies in curcumin, the active ingredient that gives turmeric its vibrant color and incredible health benefits. Turmeric has traveled the world, earning its place as one of the most scientifically studied spices today. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties are nothing short of amazing. And when combined with warm milk and a blend of spices, it transforms into a wellness elixir, golden milk. So why all the buzz about golden milk? This ancient drink isn't just tasty. It's packed with benefits for your mind, body, and even your skin. Let's break it down. Number 1. Immune booster. Thanks to turmeric's powerful antioxidants, golden milk strengthens your body's natural defenses. It's like your personal bodyguard against colds and flu. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Got achy joints or sore muscles? The curcumin in turmeric helps calm inflammation, offering relief from pain. Number 3. Digestive support. Feeling bloated or sluggish? Golden milk promotes healthy digestion and keeps your gut happy. 4. Better sleep. Warm milk, turmeric, and cinnamon work together to calm your mind and help you unwind for a restful night. 5. Radiant skin. The antioxidants in turmeric don't just work inside, they help your skin glow on the outside too. 6. Mood booster. Turmeric may even help lift your mood, as studies show curcumin can have positive effects on stress and anxiety. Pretty impressive, right? It's no wonder people call this drink liquid gold. But here's the best part. Making it at home is super easy. Let's do it together. Here's what you'll need to create your own cup of golden milk. Most of these ingredients are already in your pantry or fridge. 1 cup of milk. You can use almond, coconut, oat, or dairy milk, your choice. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, or freshly grated turmeric root for even more flavor. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder for a cozy, sweet note. A pinch of black pepper. This is key. Black pepper increases your body's absorption of curcumin by 2,000%. 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for a natural sweetness. A dash of ginger or cardamom for an extra spicy kick. Optional. Got everything? Great. Now let's whip it up. Start by pouring your milk into a small saucepan. Set it over medium heat. Add the turmeric, cinnamon, and black pepper to the milk. Stir gently to blend. Want to jazz it up? Add a pinch of ginger or cardamom for a fragrant warming twist. Heat the mixture until it's just about to simmer, not boiling. Stir occasionally to keep everything smooth and creamy. Once it's warm and aromatic, take it off the heat. Add honey or maple syrup to sweeten. Pour your golden milk into your favorite mug, and garnish with a sprinkle of cinnamon on top if you're feeling fancy. And voila! Your golden milk is ready. But before you take that first sip, let's talk about when and how to enjoy it for maximum benefits. Golden milk is a versatile drink. Want to kickstart your day with an immune boost? Sip it in the morning. Need help winding down? It's perfect as a soothing nighttime ritual. Just be sure to enjoy it warm. It's comforting, relaxing, and works wonders to ease you into sleep. 1 quick tip: don't skip the black pepper. Without it, your body won't fully absorb the curcumin in turmeric. The same goes for adding a fat source like milk or coconut oil. It helps enhance curcumin's benefits even more. Golden milk isn't just for you. It's great for the whole family. Kids love the warm, sweet flavor, and it's a natural way to boost their health too. See? Making golden milk is simple, soothing, and oh so rewarding. It's more than just a drink. It's an ancient recipe for wellness in a mug. So what are you waiting for? Grab some turmeric, mix it up, and sip your way to better health. Whether it's your new morning ritual or your go-to nighttime indulgence, golden milk is here to make your life a little brighter and a whole lot healthier. Cheers to you and your golden glow. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn all notifications on to stay updated to our latest health and nutrition tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.